Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Crystal Kit is probably one of the most fascinating and educational toys you can get for your kids. Today, we're diving deep into this awesome kit, exploring everything from the science behind crystal growth to the hands-on fun of watching these beautiful formations appear before your eyes. Get ready to witness the magic of chemistry and the joy of discovery, all packed into one incredible package. Let's get started. Number 5. 4M Crystal Growing Science Kit. This amazing kit lets you grow your own crystals. It includes everything you need to perform 7 different experiments. It's a fun and educational way to explore the world of science. Inside, you'll find all the materials necessary to create stunning crystal formations. Just add hot water, following the included instructions. The process is easy and rewarding. A special display case is included so you can showcase your beautiful crystals. It's the perfect way to admire your hard work and share it with others. They are truly a sight to behold. This kit is ideal for young science enthusiasts, especially those fascinated by geology. It's a hands-on experience that sparks curiosity and encourages learning. It's a great gift for kids. The kit comes with complete instructions for each experiment, making it easy to get started. It's recommended for ages 10 and up, providing a challenging and engaging activity. Let your child's imagination soar with this kit. What we like. This kit offers multiple crystal experiments, perfect for budding scientists. It also comes with display cases to showcase your creations. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit with a focus on geology and display, you should consider this one. What people say. The kit is easy to follow, and the crystals turned out beautifully. The steps are simple enough. I was able to grow these in my office with ease. Each bag of crystal mixture can either make 1 large one, 2 medium-sized one, or 4 small ones. The kit allows you to grow 1 large crystal, 2 medium crystals, and 4 small crystals simultaneously because that is the amount of containers they provide. Number 4. National Geographic Crystal Growing Kit. This amazing kit lets you grow crystals in 6 vibrant colors: red, green, blue, purple, yellow, and even glow in the dark. It's a fun and colorful way to explore crystal chemistry, and they grow incredibly fast. Growing crystals is easy with the included instructions and silicone growing chambers. You can easily follow the steps to create your own beautiful crystals. The clear crystal seed rocks can be left in the crystals. Showcase your crystals on the included light-up display. It's a great way to show off your creations. The display will make them look even more impressive. This kit also includes real gemstone specimens and a STEM learning guide. You can learn all about crystal formation while starting your own rock collection. It's educational and fun. This product is developed by Blue Marble, winner of the Toy of the Year award. They create products that encourage education, imagination, and creativity. You can be assured of a great experience. What we like. This kit boasts fast-growing crystals in 6 vibrant colors, ready in just a few days. It also includes a light-up display to showcase your crystals. If you are looking for a quick and colorful crystal growing experience with a cool display, you should consider this one. What people say. You can create various types of crystals with your children. It's very exciting as the crystals grow. Crystal growth takes 3 to 7 days for best results. They all turned out really good, super cool little experiment to do with the kids. Kit came with everything we needed and the instructions were easy to follow. Loved using this kit because it also leaves your kid with something they can keep. Number 3. National Geographic Crystal Growing Kit. This kit lets you grow crystals in 3 amazing colors: blue, purple, and green. It's a fun and colorful way to learn about chemistry. Kids will love this engaging science experiment. Show off your crystals on the light-up display. It has 7 single color modes, a rainbow color mode, and 3 brightness levels. It will make your crystal treasures shine. The kit includes everything you need: growing powder, clear seed rocks, a growing chamber, and a light-up display. The flexible growing chamber makes it easy to remove the crystals without damage. This kit comes with 3 real gemstone specimens, including a geode, green fluorite, and blue calcite. There is also a detailed learning guide explaining how crystals grow. It's a great STEM gift. Blue Marble, the maker of this kit, is a winner of the Toy Association's Toy of the Year award. They develop products that encourage education, imagination, and creativity. They also have a US support team. What we like. This kit lets you grow crystals in 3 amazing colors and display them on a light-up stand. It also includes real gemstone specimens. If you like a kit with a focus on vibrant colors and a cool display, you should consider this one. What people say. The National Geographic Crystal Growing Kit is an excellent hands-on science experiment for children. It includes everything needed to grow 3 vibrant crystals in blue, purple, and green. The included light-up display stand adds a fun touch, allowing the crystals to glow in various colors. Number 2. National Geographic Crystal Growing Kit. With this kit, you can watch crystals grow on the included trees. You'll see the first crystals appear in just minutes. It's a magical experience for kids. This isn't just a science kit, it's also an art project. You can color each tree with the included watercolor pens. Then, watch as the crystals grow in the colors you chose. Inside, you'll find a genuine geode specimen to examine. A full color learning guide is included, packed with interesting facts about crystals. It's a fun and educational experience. This kit combines science and art, making it a great activity for kids. The crystals absorb the ink from the markers and grow in the colors drawn. It's a unique and engaging project. We are proud to offer high-quality, hands-on science toys. If you're not completely satisfied, let us know, and we'll make it right. It's a great way to learn and have fun. What we like. This kit allows you to grow a crystal garden on trees in just hours, and you get to choose the colors. It combines science with an art project. If you are looking for a unique and creative crystal growing experience, you should consider this one. What people say. Very easy to understand and follow. The crystals started growing after about 45 minutes, and we were all surprised at how cool they were the next morning. Color the trees, pour in the solution. There were already small crystals within an hour, and we woke up to full crystal trees. Number 1. Hedgehog Crystal Growing Kit for Kids. This amazing kit lets kids grow beautiful crystals on adorable hedgehog models. They can watch the crystals form in just 72 hours, making them feel like real chemists. It's a fun and colorful way to explore chemistry. The kit includes step-by-step instructions to ensure success every time. Following the full color guide makes growing crystals simple and enjoyable. It's designed to be easy for kids to understand and follow. Inside, you'll find 4 cute hedgehog models, colorful crystal powders, seed rocks, containers, and stirring sticks. The instruction sheet also provides a deeper understanding of hedgehogs and crystal growing. Everything they need is right there. This kit is both fun and educational, making it a great gift for kids of all ages. It's perfect for individual play or group activities. It's sure to fascinate children and is a great gift idea. We're so confident you'll love this kit that it comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If there are any issues, please contact us. We're here to help with our best service. What we like. This kit lets you grow crystals on cute hedgehog models. It includes easy-to-follow instructions. If you are looking for a fun and engaging crystal growing experience with cute models, you should consider this one. What people say. The instructions were super easy and simple to follow. I boiled the water to make sure that it was hot enough to dissolve the powder. The whole process took less than 5 minutes since the water was hot enough. It dissolved super quick and cooled down just as fast. You stick the crystal thing in the hedgehog, plop it in the mixture, make sure it's centered, put the lid on and watch as the crystals grow. It is real easy and fun experimenting for kids. Honestly, experimenting stuff is sometimes really bothering, like have to help kids all the time beside them. But this is just need hot water and watching kids during mixing it. Then just wait a week without touching. During waiting time, kids are still so excited to see crystal growing. And they all are turned out so cute. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.